man ito, no, current situation, sabihin natin na hindi kayo nagiging totoo sa sarili ninyo, Cancer, no? So, kung ano yung pinapakita nyo behind, social media, no? Or nakikita ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, hindi yun yung totoong kayo, no? Maybe, sabihin natin with the racing here, running, avoiding, no? Meron kayong mga trauma, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko. May trauma ba kayo na parang ayaw nyong maungkat. That's why parang you are pretending to be someone else, no? Parang ayaw nyong ipakita kung sino talaga kayo, no? Something like that, no? Ayaw mo nang maalala kung ano yung nakaraan, no? Parang that's why you are running from the past, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? So, yeah, or maybe there is someone around you na ganito, no? Running from the past, running from who they really are, no? Pretending na hindi naman talaga sila yun, no? Fake profile, fake personality, no? Nagpe-pretend, no? Something like that, no? So, merong ganun dito, no? Mga Cancer, no? So, kung saan kayo mag-fit doon, no? Just take what's resonate, no? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng additional cards for you, Cancer. Tignan natin. Kuha tayo dito ng another 3 cards for you, Cancer. No? For your current situation. Sino ba yan? No? Tignan natin. Ano pang meron? Additional messages, no? Current situation. So, may nahulog na. Sige, kunin natin yan. 2 more cards for Cancer, please. Na natin. So, you have this, the Fool. No, talagang may running nga. Oh. Tumatakbo. And then the World. And 8 of Wands in reverse. No? So, makikita ko talaga rito, no, Cancer, there is a trauma, no? Parang, sabihin natin, you are living in a different world because may trauma ka na ayaw mo nang balikan, no? For example, tinatakuhan mo tong issue from the past, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko, no? And you are living in a world na parang ginawa mo para sa sarili mo, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung